Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Truffle Hunter Flaked Black Truffle Salt. This was on sale, and if you guys never tried truffle, it's actually, you see there's Cornish sea salt, black truffle, and yeah. Truffle is actually one of the coolest things to have on like any type of meal, and what it tastes like, it tastes like butter. That's what it tastes like, but without butter. It's really cool. So let's open this up. So that's what it looks like opened up, and you take a nice smell. It smells like butter without butter. It's so cool. So definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.